Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how I make my eyebrows using this naked brush palette. So let's start. You can use any brush palette for choosing your eyebrow brush. So now I'm taking this eyebrow brush. You can take any such kind of brush for your eyebrows. See, this is an eyebrow brush. It's curved on upper side. So let's start with the center. You can use any eyebrow palette or eyeshadow palette for making eyebrows. Just see to it you should have a brown and a black shade in it. Taking more of brown and less of black, let's start with the center. Always start making your eyebrows from the center first, filling up the centers and then going towards the end. And after done with the ends, you can come forward in front. From center, move towards the end. After done with the ends, you can come in front and make them look perfect. Just see to it you make proper angular shape with your eyebrows. And if your eyebrows are round shape, then you can make such shape. Fill your eyebrows with the shape your face suits with. Now next I'm doing it on other side, starting with the center, going towards the end and then coming further. This is how I used to fill my eyebrows for my daily casual routine look. Eyebrows, once you're done with the eyebrows, it totally changes your face. Your look totally covers just changing your eyebrows, just filling your eyebrows. So whenever you want to make a new look for yourself, don't forget to fill your eyebrows. And eyebrows changes your face look completely. And now done with this, I'm taking a floppy brush like this to shape my eyebrows. See, it looks like this. So taking this floppy brush, you have to shape the eyebrows shape towards its growth. You have to turn this brush towards the growth of hairs on eyebrows. See, आपको eyebrow brush point करना है towards the nose. This is how I'm doing it. And now finally my eyebrows are set to go for the day. So this is the final look of eyebrows. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe and don't forget to share. See you soon in my next vlog. Bye.